top 5 best trumpets for beginners. Number 5. Eastrock Beginner Trumpet. The Eastrock Standard Brass BB Trumpet is a fun beginner trumpet that comes in a variety of colors. It comes with an affordable price tag and a high-quality design. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a carrying case and a cleaning kit. This instrument has a great sound that fits all kinds of music, so no matter your preference, your music will sound pleasant. This is nice for beginners to discover which type of music is their favorite to play. Overall, it is an excellent beginner trumpet. However, it doesn't come with valve oil, but it does require frequent oiling. Oil isn't a large expense, but it's something to keep in mind, especially considering you'll need to eventually replace your instrument with a more advanced model. Coming in number 4. Estar ETR-380B. This trumpet is one of the few beginner trumpets known for its high-quality valves. It sounds great for its price point, and your purchase comes with both a cleaning kit and a carrying case, which will prolong your instrument's life. Plus, you won't have to worry about going out and buying a case and cleaning materials, saving you a bit of pocket money. This trumpet is heavier than the others on our list, so it is best for adult beginners rather than young children. However, it comes with a 7C mouthpiece that is often used for children, not adults. That being said, the weight is due to its quality materials and design, so it will last you into your intermediate stages. Coming in number 3. Mendini by Cecilio Gold MTT-L. The Mendini Cecilio is 6th on our list today because of its generally well-made build and had a very good sound for its price point. Many students find that it's easy to play thanks to its lighter weight than other models and the fact that it is made with beginners in mind. The valves are not of great quality and need some maintenance, but the rest of the instrument is a quality product made from excellent materials. It is lightweight and easy to play. While this instrument looks great for beginners and has a fantastic price point for the value, it's got a lacquer coating that will diminish eventually. Coming in number 2. Jean Paul USA TR330. The TR330 is a trumpet created specifically with new players in mind. It is built to be user-friendly and easy to play. At only 2.2 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to hold, allowing you to focus all of your effort on your learning rather than on figuring out how to hold and use the instrument properly. This also means it's the perfect option for children. It is priced much more reasonably than the first two on our list, so this would work best for you if you are on a budget or are still unsure if you want to continue your journey learning how to play the trumpet. This trumpet is made from yellow brass with a gold lacquer finish. It looks great, but the lacquer can chip and flake if not appropriately maintained. It features a 0.459-inch bore and offers a warm tone. There is a thumb saddle for comfort. Beginners that are looking for a more affordable instrument but still want something that is excellent quality would benefit most from the Jean Paul USA TR330. Because it isn't the highest quality, it may need to be replaced sooner than other models, but it's still a fantastic option for beginners and little children. Coming in number 1. Yamaha YTR-2330. Another incredible product on the market for beginner trumpet players is the YTR-2330 by Yamaha. It is lightweight and user-friendly, making it the perfect choice for those who are just starting out with trumpets. It is ergonomically created to make it easier than ever to progress and increase your learning. This is an especially great choice for kids or those of us who aren't confident in our finger dexterity. The bell is made from yellow brass to create a highly durable two-piece bell. The Yamaha also makes good technique easier to achieve. Monel alloy pistons help extend the life of the trumpet, so you know you won't wear it out quickly. This is a top-quality beginner trumpet that will last you for years. If you are dedicated to learning the instrument, then this is another great option. Unfortunately, this model does need to be oiled rather frequently, and the valve caps may be tough for a beginner to screw. As with all beginner trumpets, it will need to be replaced as the player progresses into an intermediate level.